Tired of constant disappointment from Nigeria Electricity? You charge your phone halfway, and the light's gone. The fan stops. The TV goes blank. It's the same story, again and again. What if you could finally break free from unreliable power? With Rusco Link Solar Power, the sun becomes your source of energy, clean, silent, and always available. Maste your daily spree in your concern. Provide a full range of solar solutions tailored for your home, office, or business. From solar generators and inverters to long-lasting batteries, powerful solar panels, and all kinds of accessories.
We need to press close? We've got solar pressing irons. Want cool air? Try our rechargeable solar fans. Looking for full home backup? Our inverters and batteries keep you going day and night. No more noise, no more fuel queues, no more waiting for NEPA. Just steady, silent, sustainable power. Our customers trust us because we deliver. Quality products, reliable installations, affordable pricing. So why wait for electricity when you can own it? Rusco Link,